Hey guys, welcome back to Hike Oregon. In today's video, we're going to be talking about pit toilet etiquette.
So when you enter a pit toilet, this is actually a really nice clean one. This is what it looks like. There's almost always a sign that says, please do not put trash in toilets. It is extremely difficult to remove. And usually there is a sign about lid closure as well. The lid keeps the smell in, and you can really tell when you open the lid. So one of the first things that I do is I take some toilet paper and open the lid with the toilet paper. Please, please, please do not open the lid with your dirty hiking shoe. We've come across that very often and it just leaves mud everywhere. So if this has happened, there's mud or pee or whatever on the seat, just wipe the seat and you're good to go. So when you are using the toilet, please, again, like the sign says, keep in mind, do not throw anything in the toilet that is not human waste or toilet paper. Feminine products, anything like that is a no-no. Take that with you. It is trash. So once you are done, again, please close the lid. It is courtesy. If there is no toilet paper, because sometimes there isn't, this is very well stocked, beautiful, but Forest Service doesn't always come every day. Sometimes they come once a week, sometimes they come twice a month to restock the toilet paper. So if there is no toilet paper, or if it is sometimes it can be really, really damp, it is great to keep what we call a shit kit in your car. So the shit kit includes hand sanitizer, toilet paper. I always also keep a trowel in my shit kit because, sometimes there aren't pit toilets and I have to go dig a hole near the trailhead. So feminine products, I keep that in there as well. Baby wipes is a really good one. That's about it. That's what we have in our shit kits. And that is great to keep in your car. It doesn't have to be like a backpacking thing or a hiking thing. Just keep that in your car because you never know when you're gonna need this shit kit. Sometimes during the off season, these pit toilets at trailheads can be closed. If this is the case, we're in the forest, you can always just go behind a tree or go behind the pit toilet. However, you might come across a litter of toilet paper if you do that. If you do go behind the pit toilet to go pee, please take your toilet paper with you. So you might notice that there is no trash can in this particular bathroom. Sometimes there will be a little trash can in one of these corners or out here. If there is no trash can, if you do not see a trash can, do not leave your trash. This means there is no trash service. This means the Forest Service at some point has to come clean your trash. If there is no trash can, there is no trash service. Just take it home with you. It's not a big deal. And when you're leaving, please close the door. Animals do like to go in here and steal the toilet paper. I have seen rat droppings, mouse droppings, all sorts of animals chewing on some of the trash. So again, please close the door. And not all pit toilets have these air fresheners, but we decided to be the Hike Oregon Christmas Tree Brigade and do a little courtesy. So we're gonna hang this in here. If you have any questions about pit toilet etiquette, please comment below. Thank you so much for watching this quick pit toilet etiquette video. I hope you enjoyed. If you don't already, go ahead and follow me over on Instagram. That is where I post all of my recent hiking adventure pictures. And if you want to hike and backpack here in this amazing state of Oregon, check out my website, hikeoregon.net, and you'll find tons of information there, as well as have access to all of the hiking guidebooks that I've written over the years. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next adventure.